12 Simple Ways to Feel Safe as a Single Mom After a Divorce. Ladies, being a single mom and single woman, why our safety is very important. We here at Single Moms Make Money Care. So we hope this information helps look out for more safety tips and information in the future. Now let's get to work. As a single mom, it's important that you take every possible precaution to protect your family against potential dangers. Therefore, adding home improvements and little common sense should be among your top priority. Divorce brings changes and challenges in life that impact single moms more often than men, even those with custody of the kids. Among the issues single moms now face are concerned about their safety since they're home alone with their children. Without the protection and peace of mind we gain knowing someone is there to deter burglars or other attackers, single mothers may feel uneasy at home alone with their children. Luckily, there are many ways single mothers can take safety precautions at home after a divorce with minimal money and effort. 1. Install a security alarm. Security alarms alert police and other officials if someone tries to enter the home without consent. Many times would-be burglars avoid homes that have security alarms installed. They want to get in and out of the house with their loot without being noticed. And an alarm makes it near impossible to do that. Security alarms are extremely effective. And when you include monthly monitoring, you have the assurance that you are protected 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, 365 days per year to take a self-defense class. Enroll in self-defense or martial arts programs to learn the best techniques to defend yourself against an attacker should the worst-case scenario occur. The classes can be fun and exciting and teach simple maneuvers that can keep you safe in various dangerous situations you might encounter. It can be an engaging class that even kids will enjoy if you decide to enroll as a family. While we like to think that we'll never be victimized, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. Knowing a few self-defense maneuvers will give you peace of mind and a line of defense in an emergency. 3. Be aware at all times. A little bit of common sense goes a long way when it's time to protect yourself and your children. Don't use social media as a tell-all that invites criminals to your home. Be leery of the information that you post online, specifically where the kids are concerned. Stay up to date on crime statistics and information in the area as well. And of course, get to know the neighbors if you don't know them already. When you have each other's back as a simple neighborly gesture, everyone thrives. Being a proactive member of the community is the best way to deter crime that you can use for protect the home with quality outdoor lighting. Not only will outdoor lighting add aesthetic appeal and value to the home, but it also adds safety and protection that you'll appreciate when the sun goes down. It can be very frightening to be home alone at night, especially if you aren't able to see outside clearly. Additionally, if your property is well lit at night, attackers or thieves will be deterred from attempting to break in because they will be perfectly visible to you and your neighbors. 5. What do you see? Install a doorbell camera and you'll see everything that takes place beyond the protection of your front door. A doorbell camera also allows you to check to see who is at the door before you answer. Many burglars will ring the doorbell before breaking in to see if anyone is home. It also provides you with video evidence that can aid in prosecution should a mishap occurs on your property. 6. Avoid strange people. Your children will have to get used to shuttling between each parent over time. As they grow comfortable in a new bedroom or house during their visits, they may come across strangers. They should know never to open the door to strange people or go off with them alone. Even if someone is ringing the doorbell, they need to check with either parent to confirm it's a trusted friend or family member. 7. Remember the emergency plans. New living arrangements require new safety plans. Even if your kids will only be in their second home for short periods, sit down with them and review where they can find the smoke detectors and where everyone should meet outside if they need to evacuate during a fire. You can also go over emergency plans for tornadoes, hurricanes, and earthquakes depending on where each parent lives. These plans will help your kids feel safe no matter where they are, which will help them adjust to their new reality. 8. Value your voice during and after a divorce. Kids can react differently to parental separation and may feel they aren't significant enough to keep their parents' attention or save the family. The degradation of their self-esteem might cause them to stay quiet in the future if people treat them in mean, disrespectful ways. Remind your kids that if someone says or does something that makes them uncomfortable, they have every right to tell that person to stop and then report it to an adult. Valuing themselves and their voice could save them in a dangerous situation. 9. Protect personal information online in the age of the internet. Virtual threats pose just as much risk as in person dangers. No matter how old they are, your children should learn about internet safety, such as never giving out their passwords or personal information. Teach them to look for suspicious emails and avoid talking to strangers online. So to be safe when they browse social media feeds or research information for school projects. 10. Use the buddy system. When your kids explore where one parent moves, they'll be in an unfamiliar environment. Curiosity may prompt them to forget about their safety, which is why teaching them about the buddy system is smart. They'll never go anywhere alone, so they have a helping hand if they get scared or feel uncomfortable. 11. Ask for help. Divorce can sometimes cause children to feel like they can't trust adults. Parents need to assure them that the adults in their lives are always there to help. There's no problem too big or small that they should have to face alone, no matter where they are or what they're doing. 12. Listen to your gut as much as you'd like to teach them about every danger in the world. That's not a realistic goal. One of the most important things parents can do is encourage their children to listen to their gut. If they feel pressured by friends or something feels off, they should immediately find an adult or get out of the situation. Safety should be a priority. As a single mom, you're looking at not only for yourself, but the little ones you look after. It's important that you take every possible precaution to protect your family against potential dangers. Therefore, adding home improvements should be among your top priority. The protection tips listed above are just a handful of the many ways that single moms can go the extra mile to stay safe after the divorce is finalized and they're on their own. Ladies, please like, comment, share, and please be safe, toodles.